Good afternoon one and all, and welcome to this live stream video for the property that's in front of me here. The address is in Clements Close in Spencer's Wood. It's number 60. It's a 3-bed mid-terrace home, family home, which has been well loved. And I'm just spinning around now just to show you the area. So there's a little play park just on the other side over there for kids to enjoy, maybe even kids at heart. Nice quiet area, nice quiet cul-de-sac on the edge of Spencer's Wood, the little village park, not too far from Waring's Bakery, which do some amazing cakes. So with this live stream video, for those that don't know, this is interactive, so feel free to ask me any questions and I will do my best to answer those. And you can also request your viewings directly on this channel. So please feel free to ask me any questions as I take you on inside. So, welcome indoors. So first thing to mention is with the property you do get the downstairs WC in here with window there to help take away any smells, I suppose, and any moisture, any dampness, anything like that. It is a really welcoming family home, well loved. The current owners, the only reason they're moving is they have outgrown it. They have 2 little ones, and with one person working from home as well, they now need that 4th room just to act as a home office. So we're into the kitchen here. So nice big window over the front, looking out over the car park area, but it's lovely and quiet. I know there's a lorry down the end delivering supplies and things like that, but apart from that, it's really quiet, which is lovely. You're not far from the park and the village shops. As I said, lots of storage space in this kitchen here, and it is nice wooden or wood effect top, gas hob, oven. Potentially the white goods may stay as well, depending on the property that these guys buy. And then what I love as well is that they've really thought about the space with this folding door, the space saving door as well. You can lock it away or you can open it up. So this comes through to your dining area, and you would be able to open that bit up if you wanted it more open plan or to keep it all separate. But then we've got the dining area through to your reception, and just slowly spinning around just to give you a rough idea of the size of the property, size of the room. It's quite a generous size. And there's your hallway, just walking around there. There we are. And then you've got this lovely big sliding door out to your rear garden. So behind you, that large tree there is a preservation order on it. It isn't in your garden. You would be allowed to cut back a little bit. And you can see next door have put in quite a large shed, which you'll be able to see a bit more when we head upstairs. And there's a raised area here, this raised patio bit, perfect for a conservatory, awning, that sort of thing. The small shed at the back would remain as well. So when we do, and if we do actually get a nice summer, there's a space out there to enjoy. So you do have a large storage cupboard that I've just walked past. And then there's your storage. There's another small cupboard. It's got your meters in. But what we'll do, let's head on up. And then we're into I suppose it's the box room. It's the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but it's a comfortable single room on this one here. All the stuffed toys for it. And then view out over the back garden, and there's the park behind. So what's really great is past your rear gate there's a small footpath, and then you're out into the fields, and there's no building works planned for behind you, so it's lovely and quiet. Gives you an idea as well. You can see the building that next door have put in there as well. So there. So coming on through, so this is bedroom 2, which is a very comfortable double. It is probably slightly larger than the other bedroom, again with these nice big windows, lots of light in to really show off the size of the room. I'm just standing in the corner, and you can see they've got a double bed in here and a love seat as well, and there's still lots of room for it all. I suppose this recessed area here would work really well for your fitted wardrobe or something like that. And I believe years ago, looking at the ceiling, there may well have been one once upon a time. But certainly lots of drawer space, and you don't feel claustrophobic in here as well. Nice high ceilings as well. Question there, so there's your attic space, there's your attic there. It's partially boarded, there isn't a ladder. The airing cupboard, or what was the airing cupboard, in there, full of stuff, like most cupboards are. Now this here is the main room. As you can see there, it's doubling up as main room, nursery and home office. So this is why this family are now looking to move on. Just moving around to the side, so you've got these fitted wardrobes in here, and then where the cot is, you could soon put a vanity table back there, which is what used to be there in the past. Again, comfortable double, and I can certainly walk around it, no problem at all. Lots of bookcases, lots of space. And then this one here looks out over the front. The family have put up some blackout blinds to help because they've got some young children, so keeping the light out. And it goes to show how bright this house is. There's your boiler in there, so it's a Worcester boiler. So it's a combi boiler as well, so there's no hot water tank, which is why you've now got the extra storage. This here is your family bathroom. And again, it's a white suite. There isn't an extractor fan, but there is the window there, so that will help to keep out the moisture and no damp. And I certainly can't scent, you certainly don't smell any, and there's certainly no evidence of it. So the family home, these guys have been here for a while and they've loved it, but they, as I said, unfortunately, they feel that they do need that bigger space now. So this would make a brilliant first time home, or would be really popular for landlords as well, as due to the proximity to town, motorway and things like that. So coming back down the stairs, there we are. So there's not a lot more to show you on the property here. I really do feel that you need to come out and have a look at it yourself to get the full appreciation of the home. Yeah, any questions, feel free, get in touch with us. I'd love to answer those for you. I'd also can't wait to show you the home yourself in person. So if there's no more questions, I'm going to say thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one.